Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat if it's not opening or it says it's not installed. So let me show how. First of all, you just need to go to Rust, right click on it, go to Properties, Install Files, Browse. Then you need to go to Easy Anti-Cheat. Then you should find these files here. So you just need to right click on it, on blank space, go to New TXT file and give it a name. So for example, let it be rust.txt. Then what you need to do here is to right click on Easy Anti-Cheat, rename it, and then copy the name with exe.exe. Then open up your new TXT file, paste that particular name with exe, remember that, super important. Then write space, install, and then you can save it, and then minimize the window. Then write run, or simply press Windows and I key, and then write %update %. Look for Easy Anti-Cheat, go to service log. Then look for started with installed and the numbers. In my case, is these numbers, and the numbers should repeat. So you can see here 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times with install. Copy these numbers, go to a rust.txt file, paste the numbers here, file, save as, then make sure encoding is UTF-8. Save as type, make sure all types, and then delete txt and write BAT, right? Save it. Then what you need to do here is to run rust.bat 1 time. It should basically close instantly after a few seconds, and then launch the game like you normally do, and it should fix your problem. That's pretty much it.